Good evening. I'm putting the final touches on some breaking news that will be appearing on ArgusNewsNow.com very shortly. According to a report by the New York Times this evening, Darren Wilson will not be charged with civil rights violations by the Justice Department in the shooting death of Michael Brown. The Times report is based on anonymous statements made by 3 law enforcement officials connected to the case. Now, the final decision not to charge Wilson does rest with the Attorney General, Eric Holder, and his civil rights chief. However, it's not expected that they will overrule the prosecutors who are now preparing a legal memo in support of their decision not to prosecute. This decision would come after 5 months where the FBI interviewed over 200 witnesses, examined cell phone, audio, and video, processed evidence through their crime lab in Quantico, Virginia, as well as performing an independent autopsy of Mike Brown. Now, in order for the Justice Department to have charged Darren Wilson, they would have had to show that he intentionally violated Michael Brown's civil rights during the August 9th shooting. Apparently, they were unable to show that he willfully knew that it was wrong to open fire on Brown, therefore violating his civil rights. Now, a spokesperson for the Justice Department declined to comment on the case. However, the Justice Department will be issuing a report sometime in the future explaining their decision. Attempts to contact Mr. Wilson's attorney were not successful. However, Benjamin Crump, the Brown family lawyer, did decline to comment on the potential decision, saying that he would make comment when the decision was official. Now, the outcome of this case does not affect the broader Justice Department investigation into patterns and practices of the Ferguson Police Department. There have been allegations of excessive force and discriminatory traffic stops in minority neighborhoods. Residents have said that they use these traffic stops to raise money for the city. It's not clear when this investigation is going to end. However, it is believed it could lead to some sweeping changes in police operations in Ferguson. Other cities, such as Cleveland, Ohio, and Albuquerque, New Mexico, have seen some pretty sweeping changes after investigations of this type. Visit ArgusNewsNow.com for further updates on this case.